Alright, snug. A little bit more. Because I just don't think it's going to work, but we'll try it. See if this works. There we go. I don't think I can get it any tighter. It'll probably still leak, but work. So, yeah, sounded good. All right, see if it works. I need a longer hose. Huh. That's pretty cool. There's your hose fix. Right there, buy one of these puppies. Get this hose by a little longer. And every time it breaks, just cut it down further. There you go. It'll probably burst right here later because of the heat. But at least you got something to get you by, last longer. I need a longer hose, man. I keep pushing my shoulder on this one. Oh, look, my shoulder hurts so bad. So I need a longer hose to hook up. Looking good. Everything's out of the way and there's plenty of hose to work. I've been through so many hoses. I'm so happy that works. Okay guys, keep on working. Don't take the news too seriously these days about what's, it's all bad news. Keep your head in the game. See you next time. You guys are great. Share, like, you know the rest. Subscribe. It really helps. Thanks for watching.